Kids!
About the zoo tonight, you won't believe your eyes. If you peek around the zoo tonight, you're sure to be mesmerized, because all the bears with paws and claws will meet up there to explore, because tonight's the night the grizzly bears get autistic. If you creep around the zoo tonight, some questions will be raised. If you slink around the zoo tonight, you're going to be amazed, because all the bears with fuzz and fur will convene there. You can be assured tonight's the night the grizzly bears go futuristic. Explore the zoo tonight, you'll make a discovery. If you search around the zoo tonight, make sure to bring honey, because all the bears with teeth and snouts will loiter there and hang about. Tonight's the night the grizzly bears get stylistic. If you inspect the zoo tonight, you'll find a big secret. If you survey the zoo tonight, I promise you won't regret, because all the bears with ears and tails assemble there without fail. Tonight's the night the grizzly bears become mystic. If you snoop at the bears tonight, you'd better watch your step. If you spy on the bears tonight, you'd better know what to expect, because all the bears with paws and claws will meet up there to explore, because tonight's the night the grizzly bears go ballistic.
Racing through the snow in a magic flying sleigh. Through the air we go, now we're on our way. Hear those sleigh bells ring all across the night. What fun it is to ride and sing in a flying sleigh tonight. Oh, jingle bells, Rhino smells. Koala sleeps in Christmas trees. A tiger is the best. Jingle bells, Rhino smells. Toucan laid an egg. Koala sleeps in Christmas trees. A tiger is the best. Racing round the zoo in a magic flying sleigh. Leave a gift for you. Now quickly run away. Hear those sleigh bells ring all across the night. What fun it is to ride and sing in a flying sleigh tonight. Oh, jingle bells, Rhino smells. Toucan laid an egg. Koala sleeps in Christmas trees, and Santa's on his way. Jingle bells, Rhino smells. Toucan laid an egg. Koala sleeps in Christmas trees, and Santa's on his way. Oh, Santa's on his way. Oh, ho, 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 Merry Christmas, everybody. Ho, 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 yeah.
5 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped their head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed." 4 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped their head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed." doctor, and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed." Two little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped their head. Mama called the doctor, and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed." One little monkey jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped their head. Mama called the doctor, and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed." No little monkeys jumping on the bed. None fell off and bumped their head. Mama called the doctor, and the doctor said, "Put those monkeys right to bed."
Speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating the most delicious bugs. Yum, yum. One jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Now there are 4 green speckled frogs. Clap, clap. 4 little speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating the most delicious bugs. Yum, yum. One jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Now there are 3 green speckled frogs. Clap, clap. 3 little speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating the most delicious bugs. Yum, yum. One jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Now there are 2 green speckled frogs. Clap, clap. 2 little speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating the most delicious bugs. Yum, yum. One jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Now there is 1 green speckled frog. Clap, clap. 1 little speckled frog sat on a speckled log, eating the most delicious bugs. Yum, yum. It jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Now there are no more speckled